want to say thank you for finding this video. Just subscribe to this channel now. Okay, thank you so much. We are going to solve question number 6. If you want the other questions and their solutions, check the link in the video description. You'll find all the video solutions. The denominator of a fraction is 6 greater than its numerator. So let the denominator be d and the numerator be n. So the fraction will be n over d. And we're told that the denominator is 6 greater than the numerator. So this will give us an equation. And we're told that if 4 is added to twice the numerator and twice the denominator of the same fraction, the result is 2 over 3. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. And we're told that twice the numerator, 4 is added, and twice the denominator, 4 is added. And the result is 2 over 3. So we need to find the fraction. We can cross multiply here. So if you multiply this by this, you get 3. 2n plus 4 is equal to 2d plus 4. Let's expand. 6n plus 12 is equal to 4d plus 8. So we have 6n minus 4d is equal to 8 minus 12. That will be negative 4. If we divide through by 2, we get 3n minus 2d is equal to negative 2. Let's call this our second equation. Now let's substitute n plus 6, whatever we see d over here. So the equation becomes 3n minus 2d, which is n plus 6, is equal to negative 2. So we have 3n minus 2n minus 12 is equal to negative 2. So 3n minus 2n will be equal to negative 2 plus 12. So n will be equal to 10. If n equals 10, then d is equal to n plus 6, which is 16. Hence, the fraction is n, which is 10 over 16. Or when we simplify it, we get 5 over 8. Alright, so we have another question here. The B part of the question. Let's tackle that. It says that the top of a cone of height 10 centimeters and base radius 7 centimeters is cut off by a plane parallel to the base. If the distance between the plane and the base is 3 centimeters, calculate the volume of the remaining object. Take pi to be 22 over 7. So we have a cone, something like this. Then we're told that it was cut off parallel to the base. So we will get something like this. Great. So if that is the case, we have a height of the cone. So we have the radius of the bigger base to be 7, and the smaller base we don't know, so let's say it is small r. Then we know that it was given that the distance here is 3 3 units or 3 centimeters. So the top will be 7 centimeters. Alright, so we can now calculate for the missing radius, the radius of the smaller base, using similarity. So we can see that there's a similar triangle here, something like this. We have small r, we have 7, then we have another triangle, we have big R, which is 7 centimeters, and we have 10 here. So we can find the value of R. 7 over R, this over this, should be equal to this over this, 10 over 7. So 7 by 7 will be 49, will be equal to 10 by R, which is 10R. So R will be equal to 49 over 10, which is 4.9 centimeters. So the volume of the remaining portion, this area here, this volume here, we can find it by subtracting the volume of the whole cone from the volume of the upper cone, this one here. So let's do that. You're going to get something like this. Volume is equal to 1 over 3 times pi, which is 22 over 7, times radius of the bigger cone, 7 squared, times height of the bigger cone, 10, minus 1 over 3 times 22 over 7, times radius of the smaller cone, 4.9 squared, times height of the smaller cone, which is 7 centimeters. So we need to simplify this, and this one simplified to 513.33 recurring. Then minus, when we simplify what is here, we are obtaining 176.07. 176.07. So when we evaluate that, we are going to get 337.26 to 2 decimal places. So that is the volume in centimeter cube to 2 decimal places.